here. Tomorrow is English 1 testing, right? Now, I don't think anyone's doing the English 1, maybe not. But assuming you're not, we are not going to be in this classroom. So where are we going to go instead tomorrow? AM 103. Does everyone see it right here? Do you see it? Do you see it? Chris. Do you see it? Tomorrow, we're going to M103. You should probably either write that down or take a picture because I don't even know if you could get to this room to look at a sign on my door. You know what I'm saying? So I want to make sure you know it's right here. You got to either memorize it, write it down somewhere, like on your warm-up sheet. Right now, M103 on my warm-up sheet, or take a picture. Okay? Cool. So today, as you can see on the objective, I'm going to hand you this review, but we're not testing until Wednesday. Okay? So you can take your time with this. So I'm not going to give you the answers today because I want you to actually try this on your own today. For reals. Some of us need better test grades, so I want you to actually try this. Tomorrow, I'll give you the answers and the video and the key, all that stuff, and give you a little updated grade tomorrow so you can make sure all your grades are turned in. And then we're going to test on Wednesday on the computers like we have the last couple tests, okay? But let's do this warm-up. Can you still do polyroots from last week? Do you have a warm-up sheet? It's the easiest 100 in the world. Go do it. Go grab it. Right now. All right. So, polyroot, first of all, what is the degree? Who can tell me what the largest or the biggest exponent you see here is? Hey. Hey. What's the degree here? What is the degree of this? Take a guess. 0? No. Take a different guess. What's a degree? Little number, right? Okay, so the biggest degree is the degree. So 5, yes. Okay. So this is a degree 5. Oops, I'm going to write it over here. It's degree 5. So we're going to start writing these coefficients. Hey, in the back, on your phone. Put the phone away. We're doing the warm-up. Yeah, you, with the nails. Put it down. Okay, we're going to write this down. A sub 5, A4, A3, A2, A1, and then A0, okay? Kind of ran out of room there. All right, so start over here. Hey, what's A5? What do you think? -5. All right, you, what's A4? Yeah, you, what's A4? No, because that's a 3 right there. No, that's a 2 right there. I'm asking for A4. What? No, there's no 4. So what do you put? 0, okay? Everybody, if there's no x to the 4th power, put a 0 there. All right, you, what's A sub 3? -7, all right. What's A sub 2? -15, because it's in front of x squared. All right, who's smart? Let's see here. Hey, what's A sub 1? A sub 1. A sub 1. What do you think? Okay. Do you see an x, like by itself? Okay. So 0. So again, x term is A sub 1. Well, I got your attention. What's A sub 0? No. Yeah. So the number by itself is A sub 0, right? Cool. So if you can figure out these numbers, then you can do polyroots. What buttons do we press in our calculator? Oops. What do I press? Menu what? 331, yeah? And we already said the degree was, hey, what did we say the degree was? 5. Okay, so we're going to put a 5 here. I keep losing y'all's interest here. It's crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and start plugging these numbers, right? So -5, and then you go down to 0, and then you go down to -7, then you go down to -15, and then you go down to 0, and then you go down to 2. If you can press enter after all that, you get all of your solutions. Okay. Now notice there's 3 solutions: number, comma, number, comma, number. I know it's very long decimal situation, but you can round it. And I know it's degree 5, which means there could be 5 solutions, but sometimes there's less. So in this case, we got 3 solutions. Let's go ahead and write these in. So I'm going to round this, so -1.05, and then -0.41, and then 0.337. The 7 makes the second 3 round up to a 4. Are you able to get solutions from a polynomial using polyroots? I'm giving y'all like the easiest way in the world to get this. So make sure you know how to do it. It's been the same thing like all last week, whether it was quadratic or whether it was a higher degree polynomial, okay? Today you're going to show me you understand what we've been doing on 7.1 through 7.6. If you have not finished 7.1 through 7.6, you should turn that in. Tomorrow everything will be in, just saying. I'm going to pass out the review, work on this. Tomorrow we'll check them, go over anything extra we need to, turn in all of our missing work hopefully, test on Wednesday. Where are we meeting tomorrow? M103, not 103 in the ISA building, not S103 in the science building, not 303 in the 300 building, but M103, right? If you don't go there and you pretend like, I didn't know, man, I didn't know what's going on. Hey, it's right here. Cool, M103. Tattoo it on your little skin, you know? Right? Oh, okay. Too far. All right, here we go. Let's get started.